Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rename a document in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Docs app. And here it opens up in the Drive files. From here we just have to find the document that we want to change the name of. Let's say it's this one. Tap on the three dots next to the name of it, and then if you scroll down we can tap on rename, and now we can just rename this document to whatever we would like to do. And then tap on rename, and it's going to be renamed on the spot. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.